Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do something different. So I'm finally on Tower28 PR list. I'm so happy because I love clean beauty, clean products. So I just received their Valentine's Day PR, and of course this left me speechless. That's my day. It's Valentina's Day, and I really love that they thought about me. So get this heart out of the box and show you what's in it. Beautiful box, this beautiful heart. I mean, come on, isn't it so cute? I love it. By the way, I'm wearing my Taylor Swift lover cardigan. So this reminds me of a box of chocolates because it also has, you know, that little thing that it comes when you get like chocolates, that little soft thing, that little paper, and it says lip softies for $16. Lip softie. Let's read what it says. Hydration of a lip mask and a sweet sheer tint for instant comfort. 100% agree lips feel softer. 100% agree helps heal, repair dry, damaged lips. Sorry, that's my cat. These are all the shades. Looks like chocolates. And then there's the clear one, which is the SOS Lip Softie. Let's swatch them. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's do this. very soft. I just love the way it feels on my lips, and I kind of feel like it's a plumping. I don't know, I don't think it is, but it feels like on my lips, it feels like refreshing. I don't know how to explain. It's a nice feeling. They all smell amazing, especially this red one, the blood orange vanilla. This smells so good. I think when it comes to, you know, smell, it's one of my favorite, but I also love the other one, the tres leche. Was it? No, dulce de leche. This one also smells so good. Oh, feels like a dessert, you know. Very, very good. But yeah, I really hope that this video will help you shopping if you were thinking about getting this lip softie, lip treatment, lip softie. But wait, I forgot to try the last one. I totally forgot, because this is a clear one, but this is the SOS lip softie. So this will be like a real lip treatment. They all are lip treatments, but I feel like this one, since it's the SOS, like the spray. So we're gonna remove it all, and I'm gonna try this one. It's a rescue lip treatment, while these ones are the tinted. Okay, so the difference from this one that have color is that this one are tinted lip treatment, while this one is actually a rescue lip treatment, not tinted, so it's clear. This feels a little softer than the others, or maybe it's just me, I don't know. This is how it looks. It's perfect for, you know, to wear before you go to bed, or even, you know, a day of no makeup, or even if you have makeup but you just don't want a lipstick on. This is perfect. It's gonna treat your lips and make it softer. Not gonna lie, it's been so hard for me to find a product that makes my lip feel soft. I don't know if you feel the same way. And so anyway, I'll be very excited to try this one and report you how I feel about it. I can do like an update video if you want. Just let me know in the comments. But I hope you enjoyed this little swatch, and I'll see you with another video very soon. Bye!